Yes, people, this is your girl Aleisha Lee and welcome back to another episode of Motivational Lee. On this week's episode, as we continue our 48 Laws of Power series, we look at Law 20. Do not commit to anyone. But before we get into that, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are kept up to date each and every time I upload. And without further ado, let's get into this. This law says do not commit to anyone. In summary, the only person you really should commit to is yourself. The law also mentions that it is the fool who always rushes to take sides. Now, are you the person that will automatically take sides, or are you the person that will take a step back, observe for a bit before you make a decision? This law is basically stating the only cause or side you should commit to is yourself. If you maintain your independence, you become the master of others. Because you are a person that cannot be easily swayed, people will likely look to your influence more. And this will put you in a more powerful position where you're able to maintain your independence as well as not having to commit to anyone but yourself. This law is saying don't take sides, just commit to your cause and to yourself. Now, I can understand this. There are going to be times in life where this does definitely apply. If you're in a situation that was once great, but you realize now it's becoming toxic, then you need to stop committing to that and commit to yourself by getting yourself out of those kinds of situations. So I do understand where this law can apply. Now, on the flip side of things, there are going to be situations where you will find yourself having to commit. For an example, if you want to be in a relationship, there you will have to commit to that relationship and to the person that you're in that relationship with. Whether that be a friendship, whether that be a romantic relationship, or even with a job, it is something that you do find yourself. You will be in situations where you will have to make commitment. So with this law, apply it where it needs to be applied, but also bear in mind there will be some things that will require your commitment. Why? Because that's going to benefit you and it's also going to benefit the other party. So there are some things that do take commitment, but equally I understand in terms of not committing to anyone, because you can easily be let down. But it's life, people, it's life. And I think we have to learn how to take some risks and, go for what you want. Yeah, you just need to balance out the cards and figure out what is the best decision for you based on the situation and circumstances. But yes, people, that was Law 20. Do not commit to anyone. In next week's video, we look at Law 21. Play a sucker to catch a sucker. Seem dumber than your mark. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share with your people then. Let them know what we've got going on over here. Have you ever been in a situation where you decided not to commit to it or to that person? And if so, why? Equally, if you've been in a situation where you've decided that you had to make that commitment for the greater good, leave a comment down below and let us know. Let's get the conversation started. But yes, people, make sure you have a great week. Enjoy. And I'll catch you in my next video. Dunno. Bye.